You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel?
What do you want? You want to play? Okay.
Okay, you're going straight to jail.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Aww.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh. Say yeah!
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, little lady? Yeah, you hungry?
Hi, good night, Gally.
Do you like getting baths? No. Why not?
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
You're a cat. How do you even understand what I'm saying? Oh my god.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely the way they
Can you look at me? Very handsome.